Well, hello sports fans, I'm Harry and I'd like to welcome you to Harry's Stuff and Such. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review of some magnifying glasses for doing some close-up work. These are hands-free, and so stick around and I'll give you a quick review and first impressions. And welcome back. As I said in the intro, I just got in a set of, and I'm going to probably butcher this name, Yoctosun Magnifying Work Glasses. I got these off of Amazon for a little under $16, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I just wanted to give you a quick review of these. I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and try it out, and give you a quick first impression. So when you open up the box, the first thing you'll see is a little pamphlet, basically a little instruction pamphlet showing you how to put it together. So in this box, you also have a cleaning cloth for the lens, one lens cleaning cloth. It comes with 5 sets of lenses. So they're in a nice looking contained box. These are your lenses. I'll show a close-up of those in just a moment. And then these are headset. So I can take those off, put them on. Looks like the glass will fit. They also have an LED, and here's the strap if you want to, it appears. And I also included the batteries for the LED. There are 3 AAA batteries in the pack. So let's try putting these together. If I can figure this out without hardly reading the manual. So it looks like, where does the batteries go? Okay, so there's a little spot right back here in the back. Pull it off, and then looks like you got 3 batteries that you place in here. Let's see, that would be 1, 2, 3. Okay, pretty straightforward and simple. See how easy it is to get, if I can easily get this back on. Goes in like so. If I can get this to stay down. All right. Be interesting to see how heavy that is. Okay, there must be a light. Ah, there we go. Got a nice little light. Okay, so the whole thing rotates. So let me try this out real quick. Put in one of the lower magnifications. You have 5 lenses in here, and I'm trying to remember what the magnifications are. They're 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3.5 is the largest magnification. Clips in quite easily. See how heavy this feels with the battery on. Like I said, rotates. Okay, I'm farsighted, and wow, I can read this quite well. This is going to be great for doing my close-up work. And it's really not, even with the 3 batteries, it's really not that heavy. And so you can tilt the lens up. Doesn't feel that bad. Of course, only time will tell, you know, for long use. Yeah, like I said, I just got these in. So I'm really liking these. just my first impressions. Let's see how easy I can come back up and see if I can. That was the, wow. These are the 3.5 times. You're going to have to be, wow. I can really, about right there, it's about the focus length. So I could really do some close-up work here when I'm doing some soldering or sanding, some details. I'll be able to see quite well. Okay. I'll give you a close-up of these real quick. As you can see the name, I believe I almost got it correctly pronounced. Yoctosun, I believe that's close. Like I said, that's the best I can do. I know I'm butchering it. Nice little case with the lenses. And of course it's plastic, but that's what you expect. This rotates very easily. So there you have it. Nice little close-up. These are my new magnifying work glasses. I just thought I'd give you a quick first impression, and I actually think these are worth $16, and I think I will use them quite a bit. Like I said, only time will tell how about the nose piece and how heavy it is on there, if I can spend a couple hours at a time working with these. So anyways, from Harry at Harry's Stuff and Such, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, hey, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. But leave me a comment, let me know what I did right or did wrong. Also, if you would press that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And again, I'd like to thank all those subscribers out there that have pushed that button. I appreciate it. And you guys take care, and I'll catch you on the backside.